Then there were a lot of comments. She's back. She's finally back. I wanted to say, please calm down. Let her be back for 1 month at least. Then you'll say she's back.
What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. Today is our Amma's birthday. Amma will be reaching in the next 2 minutes because we've been tracking her on Find My Location. I've mentioned multiple times that I love the feature of Find My Location on iPhone. You don't even have to ask your friends where are they, how long are they going to take. Just open and then calculate. I know in the last vlog I said that we don't want to gift Tullu new shoes and we gave up on that idea. Then I was like, we should gift her the Haiku manga collection. But then the manga collection was not available anywhere and the guy told me it would cost me around 13,000 rupees. So I was like, 13,000 rupees currently for a manga in India is obviously pricey because of the import duty. So when we go to Japan, it would be easier for us to buy those mangas. So we cancelled on the manga plan. Then we came up with one more gift which was very high budget, but we realized we need to save a little for that. So like, okay, we'll not gift her anything on her birthday and we'll gift her the gift later. But then Brandon is like, what are we gifting? The one love language we all have is shoes. So Brandon quickly went online, selected this New Balance shoes, which Tullu wanted since so long, since last year I guess. And we were not able to find the color or the sizes, but we got lucky. I just went, got the shoe, and I am glad that we found it. We found a perfect, nice, neutral color shoe for her, and there's a little bit of hint of blue. Blue is a favorite color, and she can carry the shoes to her work trip to Singapore. What's up? अंदर आए. कैसे आ जाती है हाथ लेके?
Hi girl.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday to
I see my cuties.
Who cuties? Yeah,
They're my cuties.
we purposely kept happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
We've kept them so that we don't sit on that cuties. It's surprising to see Tullu not wearing blue. Is the dinner outfit going to be blue? Blue or black? कुछ अलग color पहनी है. My God, white jeans with brown top. Bombay में white jeans. Who is she? How early you would start packing for an international trip?
See, earlier we would have started at least 2 weeks prior, but now
2 weeks prior. You would do that.
yeah. But now since I live with you and I've got a lot of habits of yours, I would actually do it just 2 days prior.
Tullu, what about you? When are you starting your packing?
Monday.
I was assuming she must be done earlier.
No, I'm not done. I'm a box set.
What footwear are you wearing?
Where?
उधर Singapore में?
Shoes. Air Force, Hoka, Converse.
तीन लगी जा रही है.
हाँ.
Are you mad? You want to take Air Force to Singapore?
Yeah.
How much baggage do you have that you want
Yeah.
We'll see now. Air Force doesn't matter. Or I'll wear and go to the
How are you carrying them?
I might wear and go to the Air
Look
Force.
at the whole box.
Why will I take the box when I'm
You
taking
never
my
know.
bag? It's my bag.
I think you need some lighter shoe for that. Can't believe that you're taking all 3 shoes with you.
No, I'm not taking. I'm not thought. I'm not broken down. I'm not seen my packing yet. Nothing.
You're not saying now, okay, then we'll show.
We'll make it easy for you.
That's why you were eating. Oh my God! You got me New Balance.
Yeah.
Finally, they liked, no, yeah. No, because I had also seen this, but as usual, Tata Click sold it off, so I didn't.
I think so.
Yeah, because Tata Click.
So eventually the shoes
Yeah.
came to you.
And I've been telling you all to buy the same shoe for almost 1 year.
Hey, I will throw the shoe on his
1
face.
year.
No, you said buy New Balance. The ones which we wanted wasn't there. Some random numbers.
UK7
Try first.
आपके पैर वैसे भी defective है. Please try कर लो. This is from obviously the shoe gang.
Yeah,
You know who the shoe gang
Yeah, I
is.
know the shoe guy. You already took the name.
But this is like a ritual we are doing. The 3 of us gifted you forums, and 3 of us gifted him Mark 5.
Yeah.
And the 3 of us gifting for the New Balance.
And
And
the
3 of
three of
yours will gift me Metcon 9.
Is it?
We're giving him Metcon.
We have to actually, then the streak will break.
Yeah,
no?
chicken.
No, purposely have to give it
So please take him to the store, make him wear the shoe so that we know the
The
size.
color which he wants is not available
Huh?
in store.
Red is available, na?
In store?
It's
Either
okay.
red, orange or grey.
Big.
Big. तो आई थिंक इसको फिर 6.5 लेना पड़ेगा. 6 मुझे टाइट हो रहा था. इन
Or should
सफेद.
we just take her and make her try 6? Because 6 is 25 centimeters.
चलो फिर. We are here to exchange the shoes and get the proper sizing. I don't know why I even got the shoes. You know, literally.
Yeah,
10
last
minutes
time
पहले.
also we came and
You're
we wore.
only-
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. You should have
Even this
gotten.
time Rhythm was like, you should have got Tullu.
That's why Rhythm says ki we should go for our kind of problematic.
Yeah. I thought UK7 would fit her, but they are too Euro.
You should never do such experiments for both of us. Like just take us to the store.
His Metcon, we'll take him to the store also.
These are what size?
Yeah, they fit me.
Perfect.
Wait, how do I make this?
Can't even tie a lace. 28-year-old done MBA.
That has no correlation, I swear.
Works in an MNC. Can't tie a lace.
I can tie a lace. Yeah, just shut up. See, I did it over here. Birthday.
What will your mother say?
The amount of shoe boxes in the house, she wants to throw them already. And I tell her I don't have so many shoes.
How many do you have right now?
One Converse, Air Force, this, Metcon, Rincon. Those are gym shoes, not daily wear. People come. I was seeing Da's video, the one that she posted after a while, and then there were a lot of comments. She's back. She's finally back. I wanted to say, please calm down. Let her be back for 1 month at least. Then you all say she's back. Yeah, Tullu's ring is interesting.
We've been invited to this place called Journal, and they have really nice coasters. Be your own daddy, make your own sugar. This applies to me. This is a new obsession, which is sweet potato fries. Why are we not making this at home?
We'll make.
I never knew this tasted so good. You've been eating it everywhere. Is it trending? Because all cafes are having this in their menu. Last to last birthday, we were in Kasol, and it was Tullu's birthday trip. Both of them got loose motions. We went to this restaurant where they gave us nachos, loaded nachos with only beans. It was not tasting good. So Tullu and I stopped eating. Rhythm, even though the food was not tasting good, he ate the entire nachos, and the portion size was way too huge. So the lesson is that I know you're not supposed to waste food, but if it's not tasting good, please avoid it. And after that, Rhythm, what happened? You need to tell them.
I didn't eat nachos and beans after that for almost a year. Because of that incident, I make
Honestly, beans, not everyone can handle beans.
I've eaten beans all my life. I've eaten rajma all my life. I've eaten rajma all my life. Rajma, chana, all kinds of beans I've eaten. But that beans, I don't know what beans is it.
You don't have to go overboard just because there's something.
Also because both of you were not eating, so I had to finish the entire plate.
That's the point. We didn't like it. Yeah, I was like, the nachos में ना guac है, ना sour cream है, बस beans डाल दी है. Literally, it's like they removed the can and they just poured over the nachos.
I was that person before that, no, you cannot waste food. Now I do it. Now if I don't like it, if it is bad, now I waste it.
And I was already sick there. I told you this food is not nice. And then on the bed, he also came and slept next to me.
And both of them were sick. And their entire mountain trip was just turned into a loose motion trip for both of them. And I was vlogging. Okay, guys, I did not quit my job there also. Camera chalna chahiye.
Good part of the trip was done before that. And then I was only on pomegranate juice and liquids.
I told Tullu, are you sure you want to order both the desserts? She's like, yeah, we'll eat. And now look at the size of the dessert, guys.
I thought it was supposed to be a flat cookie. I didn't know it was this.
Plate नहीं घर पे लेके जानी है मैम.
Okay, sorry.
ना डांस करो आज
उसका हैप्पी डांस.
So some bite give me. Nice.
Rhythm and Tullu are like that. If you're not speaking to us, you should be speaking to the camera.
Correct.
एक रिक्शा तो ऑन करना चाहिए अपने like.
I agree. One rickshaw.
Rhythm चला लेगा. इसको आती है ना चलाने के लिए.
I know how to ride a rickshaw.
By the way, guys, I don't think we've said this that Tullu finally got her learning driving license.
Yeah.
You were supposed to call us for the last ride.
I know, but that just happened very abruptly. It's okay, I have 1 more month to get my main license. Then when I start practicing, you'll come.
Oh my god.
Yeah, do that. Even I will do that.
Because the problem is that when you go for the classes, even they have the control. It's not a problem, actually, the solution. But the thing is that you get so used to them handling the control, it becomes difficult and you become underconfident.
I feel like we've lost weight or something. We're fitting comfortably in the rickshaw.
Yeah.
Earlier, I think few months back we were not very comfortable in the rickshaw.
I don't know about that, but we have.
This is crazy. We wanted to give you the Haiku manga set.
There is no manga set over here.
A place told me, but it was something around 13 years.
That you give me. I will eventually buy. Yeah, from Japan I'll get the OG set. The whole
Look
manga.
at this, guys. The crossover here is insane. They're understanding the Indian market are now into anime. Wow. This is just for the vlog members. I will not reveal on my Instagram that where did I get this cup from. Tullu said she wanted to go to Crossword, and we thought Crossword won't have anything related to anime, but they have a complete section now, and I picked up this cup. I couldn't resist. I have to use my adult money. I was thinking for a second that should I like buy, because I already have a lot of coffee mugs at home, but coffee mugs are my weakness. And the fact that CrossFit people are okay with me vlogging from my camera is a plus point. Rhythm looks like someone who is into literature. You are faking your attire today. Is your time done or you?
Yeah, we're done.
We'll sit then you take your time.
No. Incomplete sets I cannot take.
Then why
Then
are you
I'll
buying
approve.
this one?
I have the first two. I read. This is the third book.
So why can't you remove both the books and you don't have to buy the third?
Shut up. I like the book.
How many sets do you have at home?
I don't know.
नया जूता भी लेके जाएगी, नया बुक भी लेके जाएगी.
This छुपा के I will tell.
छुपा के. This is how you deal with Indian moms, guys. Udghatan, inauguration of my favorite cup of all time has been done. This is just between us, guys. On Instagram, I am gatekeeping this mug. Hopefully no one comments. How can they get this cup? So shush. This is from Entertainment Store in case you guys want to get it. They don't have a Jiraiya mug. If they had a Jiraiya mug, then would have also purchased it. Illuminati. Diljit had kept his concert name as Illuminati, then he changed it to Dilluminati. I think Illuminati got very controversial. Why is that?
Very deep, not good.
Thank you. I appreciate my boyfriend when he does not give me information which my brain can't handle. He just be like, "Nah, you can't do it. Just keep it aside." How are we going to do the logistics? It's about to be 6 o'clock. 8 o'clock we have to be at Lower Parel for the dinner. That means we need to leave our house by 7 because everyone is very particular about the dinner timings. So how do we go to the gym? In 10 minutes. Can you poop in the gym instead of pooping at home? Is the comfort level same for you? So can you just go and poop right now? Very good. The time starts now. I've actually kept timers to see how long can Rhythm scroll on Instagram being in the bathroom. Sorry to say, but please avoid taking your phones in the bathroom, because I've seen my boyfriend being in the bathroom for easily 30 minutes. You get so distracted by your phone, you just sit on the commode for a very long time. I've been telling this to Rhythm, but he doesn't give a fuck. He's like, da bolti rahegi. But there have been times where he will not take his phone because I will start doing chow chow. Tillu went home. We are again going to meet her for dinner at Yazoo. It's an Asian place. She wants to eat dim sum and cheng fong. Me and Rhythm are like, Jabba, what are these dishes? Because we are Sadharan Manus. We like our fried rice. We like our Manchurian. I had no mood to come to the gym, but we knew we couldn't skip it because it's start of the month. You can't be lazy. Also, I got this new high support sports bra from Puma. I'm going to try it out and then help out my other girlies if it's really nice or not. Currently, the support is too good. I'm excited to run in them because all the other sports bra which I have are not that good and not giving me a good support. Tullu is the only one who looks like she is dinner dressed for this place.
Yeah.
I am blue painted today.
Nice.
Dedicated this outfit to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Where are your new shoes? He's spent carrying.
2 Ubers cancelled on me. Third Uber I saw mere samne he cancelled and he went. Like legit he went. 3 people I asked, nobody had changed, and this guy
इतनी खूबसूरत दिख के भी कोई तुझे चेंज नहीं दे रहा था.
So then that guy said, I'll pay you, Google pay me. So I said, yeah, please. क्या ही है
So
number
Swarnim
plate?
Shetty था कि नहीं? I got this table, but we are not okay with this because there are too many people around us. We always want a corner table so that we could speak.
This is one of the top Rhythm made me buy in hopes to take me for some techno there, which never happened.
Now we are only not going to eat it.
Exactly.
We don't even need the menu, it's you who decides. मम्मी आप जो खिलाओगे वो हम खाएंगे. इसलिए मेन्यू बाउंसर जाएगा. आई एम नॉट इवन ओपनिंग.
I'm 28 days and too. They're my favorite.
Even though if you were in a way born late, then whether you would still be the mature one.
Yeah, I mean he's legit that annoying
Brother.
yeah, younger brother who I did.
Fighting, they keep, and then their fights are even over in few hours, and I'm like, ये कैसे झगड़ा होता है? Ego है कि नहीं दोनों में? They don't have it.
We don't have few hours. हमारा 10 minutes to understand and limit it.
सब spicy है ना? Tasty है.
Then which is the longest fight we had? No.
For a day you all had a day or two.
But because we were not mature. हाँ, college में. There was stuff we were emotionally mature. उसके बाद भी क्या है? We fight and then 10 minutes बाद we are resolved.
10 minutes.